What's up, guys? My camera's not working, so I can't do it. What's up, guys? David going to film my collection of car keys. I've been collecting for a while. Like, I don't know. I'll get them all out for you guys. But quite a lot. So, this video might be a bit quick. I don't know. It might be a bit long. I do not know. Depends how many keys much shoe in it, guys. Too many stuff in the store. That's one. I'm not sure. What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a collection of car keys. Right, this was mine. No, I left it on the road, so it's all crunch, won't press. Looks wobbly. Might not be camera, but it's like I know it's Peugeot key, but I don't know what Peugeot. I want to know what. There's one, guys. I'll get my other one. I have this Ford key. That one. It's got an lock side, a opener side, and a boot side. These two are down, and that one's up. Forward. I have this on one of my keys. GTFing. It says GTF with Trolley on Mega Discount Warehouse. Then I have this key. It says LSH. If anyone knows what key this is for, just please tell me, because I do not know. I have quite a lot of keys, you know. I've got this yellow key. Oh, guys, I do have some more, but they're at my mum. My little brother's gold. I'll take these off on him. Got this like golden key, my old house, but I'm not telling you which house it is. Then I have this key what says WSS. Then I have this one watch for my old house as well. Same house though. I'm not telling you which house. Oh, and guys, I have this like keyring. It's like it says a Vauxhall Astra in Turkish. Look at guys. I have an Aldi. Oh, wait there, guys. I'll get some more. And then I've got this Peugeot key. What? I'm missing whatever. I don't know what goes in there. There's a lot because it's been scratched here. Peugeot, normal Peugeot, guys. Definitely got on YouTube soon. I've got this person who I know for a long time. He's till broke. Then I had his old key. If you bit small. Like. Please subscribe, guys. I don't have many at all. And I've got this, my old house, my old door. Made in England, this key was, guys. Skill made in England. Then I've got another Peugeot key. I think I like Peugeots. I don't know. I like BMWs and all these. And I've got another one of them keys where that one is. One's my brother's because I had two. There's the old collection. Well, the old collection a bit. That's it. Now I've got this for my old door as well. This one says Chubba. It says Chub, then another bit. See you guys? Oh, sorry guys. Then I have, when I went bookings last year, I got just that keyring, without the skeleton, and just how it said the Butlins. Guys, this video is a bit quick. Please subscribe, smash that like button, give a good thumbs up and share.